If you struggle with brain fog, skin issues, bloating, or autoimmune flares, added sugar could be fueling your inflammation. And the worst part, it's hiding in more foods than you think. Let's break down why cutting added sugar could be the key to helping you feel better today. And I'm also going to give you a free guide to help you start tracking your added sugar today. Hi there. Welcome to Gut Health Made Simple. My name is Kim. I'm a certified gut health nutrition specialist, and I help people naturally manage their autoimmune conditions by making gut health nutrition simple to understand. If that sounds like something you need, click subscribe and let's get started. To begin, added sugar drives gut imbalance. Added sugars feed the bad bacteria in your gut microbiome, which tips the balance away from the good microbes in your system to the bad microbes in your system. When your gut microbiome balance is off, your immune system gets confused, and that can drive chronic inflammation. Added sugar triggers blood sugar spikes and crashes. Every time you eat added sugar, your blood sugar rises fast. And as your body scrambles to bring down that blood sugar, it often overshoots, which leaves you moody, tired, and often craving more. These spikes and crashes can lead to insulin resistance, which over time can lead to chronic inflammation. Added sugars can damage the protective lining of your gut. Some might call this leaky gut. Once the barrier weakens, toxins and other particles can slip into your bloodstream, triggering immune responses and inflammation. This can be especially problematic for those who already suffer from autoimmune diseases. Added sugars also deplete the nutrients your body needs to heal. Your body needs magnesium, B vitamins, and zinc to keep the inflammation in check. Added sugars tear through those nutrients, leaving your body under-resourced to handle stress and restore your gut lining. Added sugar hijacks your craving. The more sugar you eat, the more your brain wants. It actually rewires your dopamine pathways, meaning you crave more, but you become less satisfied. That makes it harder to choose the nourishing foods that can actually make you feel better. Added sugar is everywhere, even in healthy food. It's not just about soda and candy. We can find added sugars in things like granola bars, protein bars, salad dressings, sauces. Once you start to identify the added sugars in your food, it's going to be life-changing. If you're ready to see how much added sugar is creeping into your diet and how much better it feels once you start to remove it, I've made something for you. Be sure to check the comments below and click on the Daily Food Diary, where you can track the food that you've been eating, what the ingredients are, and how it's making you feel. If you like videos like this, be sure to click subscribe, give a like, and I hope to see you soon. Have a good day.